Hey boys, so super busy week. Super busy week. I had a lunch and learn on Thursday, and then we had what I think are going to be the last two Crawfish Boils of the season on Friday. I have an executive board meeting for the PTA on Friday. Let's see. Saturday, me and the groomer came over and she did Blue's hair, and Brian and Liz came over and we had Reubens. I just love a Reuben, and I think it's the homemade Thousand Island that really sets it off. But anyway, they were delicious. Then Sunday was Coco's birthday party, and then we had the soccer end of year party. And then today, celebration of learning at the elementary school. So last week of school, and it's not even a full one. Anyway, that's all that's happened. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.